Hey everybody, it's Neil, and who buys a suit online in a little bag? Apparently I do. So let's check this one out here. This is the Lexiart, and it's the men's fashion something whatever. I got size large. We're gonna give this thing a try and see how it looks on me. So let's open it up here. Well, I guess inside the Ziploc bag we have another bag. Let's see, is there any easy way to open it? No. Still no easy way to open it. There we go. Okay, so let's see how this looks. So let's see what we got here. We got a lot of pieces here. Two pieces. So we have a top and a bottom. I mean, this is kind of like a lounge pants suit. So not super fancy, but here we go. So this is what the pants look like. And I'll show you guys up close. This is the fabric here. It's got a little bit of creases on it. It's kind of like a pajama suit, so for me, I don't mind too much. I'm gonna put it on. I'm putting it on. I'm about 5'8", and I'm putting it on over my my shorts. And it's a little long on me. I might have been better off with a medium, but let's see. And then we have the top here, and I'll put it on. Let's see. Is it a snap? It is. So there. Oop, tag fell. Okay. Put this over my head here. Hopefully y'all can still hear me with the microphone. And so this is what it looks like here. This is comfy. So not a super suit. I'm not going to go to a wedding. I might go to a wedding with this actually. Not my wedding, somebody else's maybe. Let's see. So this is how it looks. Got the snaps on here. Let me see. Missed a couple snaps. I'll back up here in a second so you can see the whole thing. But here we go. So we have the pockets here. So the pockets are decent size. I can fit my whole hand inside there. I can put my phone in it or whatever. Put the pocket on the other side. And the arms, the sleeves are a decent size. So let's see here. How can I do this? I'm going to aim you guys down a little bit. And you still can't see me. Okay, let me go this way. Okay, so this is what I look like in it. I'll have to back up. Man, still can't see. I'm aiming it way down. Okay, here we go. So there you go. Now you can see what I look like in it. So this is the suit. See, it's a little long on me coming down here, but I can hike up the bottom, and there we go. So there we go. I could wear this, and now I am the man in black in a suit. How cool is that? So very nice. And the sleeves are good, and they have the little snaps on them here, you can see. And it's nice the way it's all snaps. It makes it easy to do. I probably could have gotten away with a medium, but you know, large is good for what I have it for, so I can just kind of wear it around the house and look snazzy. How cool is that? So very cool, nice little setup here, and I like it, super comfy. So maybe I'll even wear it today. There we go, just leave it on. Sounds good to me, so thumbs up for me on this. Very nice little suit. Links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.